Hi boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can become a millionaire in Forza Horizon 4 in only 1 week. So with that being said, make sure to drop a like and subscribe with the button for more weekly banger videos and streams, and let's get into the video. So first of all, where you want to go to is your map. But before we get into it, this is at least 1 week for you to be able to get 1 million in like 1 week. So as you can see, I have 18 million CR. If you want that, you want Ferraris, you want Lamborghinis. Like I have Lamborghinis, Veninos, I have all of the good sport cars, supercars. You need to do this. This is a week's work. Maybe for some of you, you will get like maybe 200k in like 3 days or so, but depending on how much you grind the game, it's all up to you. So what you'd want to do is you need to complete your Horizon races, like the street races, the drag races. Try and complete as much as you can for like 1 day, and then for the next day, what you'd want to do is try and use that money, what you gained, to buy houses like the Gables. Let me show you. Like as you can see, you get the Gables for free, but try and buy houses like this one, the Kingfisher Cottage, like this one here as well, the Derwent Mansion, things like that. Like some of the houses are very cheap. It goes from 100,000 to like over a million. That's how houses is. But if you want to get that money, you need to complete races, a lot of races for 1 day. The second day, if you don't have enough money, just keep on racing until you can buy a few houses. And once you bought a few houses, the third day, start racing again. Try and get money for at least 2 days. So get money after you bought your houses for 2 days by racing. Once you're done racing, you will obviously unlock businesses. Once you unlock the businesses, you drive a business for 1 day. So there you go, you have raced for 1 day, you bought a house, buying houses for 1 day, you're racing again for 2 days, which is 4 days. The next day you are just racing and you're buying businesses. That's 5 days. So for the 2 last days, what I want you to do is, for another day, play the businesses, play the story modes, the storylines in the businesses. And for the last day, what I want you to do is very simple. All you need to do is just buy and sell cars. So it is very simple. Don't sell a cheap car for expensive. You need to keep on track. You need to keep track with the car market, what is hot, what is not at the moment. It is very simple. Just go. So what I usually do to get my money is I check my cheap cars like my Honda Civics and stuff. I check how much it's going for in auction for today. Sometimes it goes for 1 million. You might not believe it, but it goes for 1 million CR. Like that is insane. Explain that again. Day 1, you are racing, doing street races, the Horizon races, all of that. Day 2, what you're gonna do is you are gonna go and buy some houses and you're gonna race again. Day 3, you are gonna go and buy businesses and you're gonna do races again. Day 4, you are going to do races. Day 5, you are going to do races. Day 6, you are going to buy businesses. And lastly, day 7, you're just gonna be enjoying it the whole day. You are just gonna be doing races and you are gonna be selling and buying cars to make a profit. So just remember, I do not know the limit of selling cars, but there is a limit of selling cars in Forza. Do not do this the other way around. Do not skip a step. Do not do anything. This guide will give you over 1 million CR in less than a week if you are lucky, but in a week it will give you 1 more. So yeah, do that step by step like I explained it, and I'm guaranteeing you that you will get over 1 million CR. I promise you. You will be able to have this Supra. You will be able to get a Ferrari. You will be able to get a McLaren. It's all up to you. This is very simple, this game. So yeah, if you want to play online with me, I'll leave my Xbox gamer tag on the screen right now so you can add me. If you want to join my club, I'm gonna start up a new club for Forza. You guys can just join it once you added me. Just message me on Xbox that you want to join, and I'll invite you to the club. But yeah, hopefully boys and girls did enjoy the video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe with the bell turned on for more weekly banger videos and streams. And yeah, let's try and get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. It would be much appreciated. And many more console videos, reviews, gaming, and all of that stuff coming soon. So yeah, make sure to go subscribe to my second channel as well if you want to see more console news and all of that stuff. I posted on there, so like console gaming reviews, news about the latest consoles. I'm gonna start posting about like 2 to 3 times a week on there. Maybe do a live stream now and then, but yeah. So yeah, by that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.